Welcome back to the channel. You are now in the #1 place to start your natural journey while embracing a natural lifestyle full of self-love, confidence, and determination. In today's video, I am doing a 30-day follow-up using the Canvas Beauty Follicle Booster. So I decided to do a demonstration, or I guess you guys can call it just like my wash day, because I always normally show you guys when I'm sitting on the couch. So I decided to actually show you what I do when I use the follicle booster. So it's like, this is my typical wash day. I will start the wash day with the follicle booster, then I'll go in with the full bloom shampoo and conditioner. So if you have not seen my first video that I did on the follicle booster, make sure you go ahead and check that video out. Also, make sure, of course, you're subscribed to the channel, and make sure you do follow me on my IG page, Curl Confirmation, because when I'm not on YouTube, I am on Instagram. But like I said, if you have not taken a look at that video, I definitely want you to do that. But the follicle booster is supposed to promote rapid hair growth, increase blood flow circulation to the scalp and hair follicles. It also is supposed to help with dandruff and dead skin buildup, and it helps with dry scalp. So I've been using this for a month. This is a month update, and I actually did it for 5 weeks. So I know I told you guys I was going to do this once every other week, but I actually decided to do it once a week. Only I missed 1 week, so that's why I did it for 5 weeks. So the first week was the first video. Then I skipped the second week, and then I went in with the follicle booster week 3 and week 4, and then week 5. So that makes like 4-week period where I use the follicle booster. So overall, I really enjoy the product. I do love the cooling sensation when you do have the product in your hair. I do love the scent, like I already did mention before. And I don't actually deal with any type of dandruff, but I'm sure that I do have dead skin buildup, quite sure. Now I'm going to go in with the full bloom amplifying shampoo, and then like I said, I will follow up with the conditioner. So I am just going to let this play, shampoo my hair, then condition my hair, and then I will come back and show you guys what my hair looks like. And this will be a 30-day update compared to where I was when I started. I know that you know, he was cooking you like Indo. All you can offer is middle, na, always on go. Estabelle la vida loca. Estabelle la vida loca. So still la vida loca. Still la vida. Estabelle la vida loca. So still la vida loca. I also wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like when it comes to the shedding, because I do deal with a lot of shedding, and I don't really ever talk about it, or I actually don't ever I maybe talk about it, but I don't ever show you all. So I just wanted to just show you a really small clip of what, and this is just a small piece of my hair. This is after I detangle my hair, or when I'm detangling after I condition it. But I lose hair when I'm washing. I lose hair when I'm conditioning. I lose even more hair when I start styling it. Literally, it's just I touch my hair and it just kind of starts to come out. So it's just a little snippet of what my hair looks like. Maybe it's not a lot to you all, but I feel like I should not be losing this much. And it's just one section. I'll lose more. All right. So now I am getting ready to show you guys a side-by-side. I did my length check on, the first time that I applied the Follicle Booster was on, I believe, May 23rd. I am going to go ahead and put the exact date once I look it up to see when I recorded. And I was actually recording this for another video because I do batch record. But that video, I don't know. I don't think it will be released yet. So either way, I'm kind of behind on videos. But so yes, so this is what my hair looks like back on May 23rd, and then this is what my hair looks like now, and this is June 20th when I filmed the 30 days later. So it looks like my hair grew maybe like a smidget, half of an inch. It does look like it is a tad bit longer to me. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. This really isn't like a length check or really like a growth in length video, but I decided to just do it anyways, just to see a side by side and the difference. And the main thing that I just want to point out is that I'm not losing any length because, like I said, I deal with a lot of shedding. I deal with breakage. So it's a good possibility that my hair could have gotten shorter. And what I'm noticing is it's not. It looks like my hair is maintaining its length. It looks like it is thicker. And I'm noticing, and the way that I check if it's thicker or not is I can see through my hair. When my hair is like laying on my shoulders, if I can see through it, to the back of the wall, that lets me know that my hair is starting to thicken up. So I'm really excited about that. So now I'm just going to do a back view to show you guys where my hair length is, and you'll see where it was on May 23rd again, and then you'll see on June 20th where my hair is. So it looks like it grew possibly about an inch. I know my shirt was not straight. I'm upset with myself because I straightened it like 3 times, but it looks like it's right at like under 12 or maybe right at 12. And then it was at 11 on May 23rd. So I'm satisfied with it. Like for 1 month of using it, I definitely feel like it is a great product. I'm going to, of course, keep using it. This month I did stop using my onion juice because I typically use onion juice, and I didn't want to do both of them, so I am going to start back using my onion juice. So hopefully that will continue to promote hair growth for me as well. But let me know what you guys think. I'm happy with it. Make sure you guys again are subscribed to the channel, and I do appreciate any comments because comments are helpful for the channel. That lets me know that you do like my content. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.